We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Bikoney Record Player Stand with guitar holder. This product is designed to hold multiple guitars including acoustic, electric, bass, ukulele, and banjo, with capacity for up to 2 guitars. Its wider cradle arms accommodate most guitar shapes, making it a versatile solution for displaying instruments and keeping them accessible. The stand also functions as a record player table, capable of storing up to 200 vinyl records, and adds aesthetic value by displaying records prominently. The holder arms are covered with thick rubber to protect guitar finishes, and the steel components ensure durability. The distance between the holder arms is adjustable, preventing wobbling and allowing instruments to be held upright securely. The stand features a 3-tier storage shelf made of high-quality metal and thick wood, providing space for a vinyl record player, records, albums, guitar tuner, amplifier, and accessories. There are 2 options for installing the guitar stands on the shelf, enhancing convenience and enjoyment. The stand is elevated from the floor to prevent instruments from hitting the ground, and non-slip feet keep it stable. It is suitable for home, music rooms, and studios, combining good looks with space-saving design. All parts and hardware are included, and assembly is straightforward with clear instructions. The total size is 29 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 49 inches long, weighing about 18.68 pounds. Users report that assembly takes about an hour and the instructions are clear. Many appreciate that it can hold larger guitars, including 12-string models, although larger amplifiers only fit on the top shelf. Some users have customized the color by sanding and painting the shelves to better fit their decor, which requires some effort but yields impressive results. The adjustable stands offer versatility for different instruments, and while some express concern about potential tipping and scuffing, careful handling and optional bumper materials can mitigate these issues. The amplifier rack is primarily designed for smaller amps, which fits well for users with compact models like the Nux Mighty 8 BT. Larger amps may only fit on the top shelf, which some find less convenient when playing. The shelves are well built and attractive, but could benefit from being wider to better accommodate larger turntables or amps. The nook for vinyl records is appreciated, though some wish for more space or additional shelving for pedals and accessories. Overall, the stand is praised for its sturdy construction, quality materials, and attractive appearance. It holds guitars securely and fits well in various spaces without taking up excessive room. The ability to separate the stand from the shelves allows for flexible placement. Some users note that jumbo-sized acoustics may pitch slightly forward but still feel secure. The stand is also valued for its portability, fitting in the trunk of a mid-sized car for transport. The product is considered a great value for the money, combining functionality with a stylish design. It is recommended for musicians who want a practical and visually appealing way to store and display multiple instruments and vinyl collections. The main drawbacks are the limited shelf width for larger equipment and the smaller amplifier space, which may not suit all users. However, for those with smaller amps and a variety of guitars, it offers a solid, versatile solution. If you own this stand, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports the channel.